Greetings, part two, highlighting the power of early education. One of my students is 4 years old and just awesome and doing reading word problems for math. Okay, and we're just highlighting how awesome children can be at an early age when you put some attention in this area. He loves math, so we're going as far as we can with it because he loves it. And he can read too. So it's just phenomenal fun for me as a teacher to have this kind of student that loves math like this. Okay, so this is introduction. Maggie made 3 cookies, then she made 7 more. I'm moving fast because this is part 2. I had already done this. How many cookies did Maggie make? So we're adding right now. When we're putting 2 numbers together to make more, what are we doing?
Adding.
We are adding, correct. So I'm going to make 2 cookies, or he likes to make planets and put craters on it, or cookies and put chocolate chips in them, whatever. So he's going to make as many cookies as he needs to put the numbers in and then do the work. Okay, but what I want to see, he can do that all day long. That's just addition. But what I want to see is he going to be able to knock out this reading? And I think he is, because he's really advanced. I think he's going to be just fine. All right, so here we go. 3 plus 7 is 10. I walked you through this. I wrote the answer. Now it's your turn. Go ahead. Number 2. It's the biggest one too. All right, let's go. Number 2.
Number 2. Jaden.
All right.
Walked to school.
I'm sorry. I didn't expect him to get that first
5
sentence.
days.
Period. Let's stop. They just told us something, right? They just told us something. That was amazing, by the way. Jaden walked to school for how many days?
For 5 days.
So we want to write that down. Bam. We got that fact. That is a fact. We got a fact. So we want to write that down. No. Let's get our own space. Let's cross that out so we don't get confused. Let's get a whole new space, right? You wrote 5, so I'm gonna see. You just wrote a 5 anywhere. That's gonna confuse you. Okay, go ahead. Carrying on. 5. Now what else happened? Jaden walked to school 5 days. Okay.
He walked to school for 2 more days.
Good reading. Stop. We got another fact. We have another number. What do we do with it? We have another number. What do we do with it? We write it down. Very good. We get it down. All right. Now this is the math. Whatever numbers we have written down, this is the math. Okay, now let's start over again and let's finish up the whole question. I can't believe you could read this.
Jaden walked to school for 5 days.
Period. Calm down. Take a breather. See it. Think about it. Okay, 5. Keep going.
He walked to school 2 more days.
Very good reading. Okay.
How many days did Jaden walk to school?
And you said it like a question. High five. That was awesome. Okay, so what's the math and what's going on here? They want to know how many days Jaden walked to school. So how do we find out how much more how do we find out how many days he walked to school? What do we have to do?
We have to.
What kind of math is this?
Addition.
Okay, so great, very good. So what do we have to do?
We have to add the
We have to add. That's the word I was looking for. Very good. We have to add. Let's bust it out. There we go. Let's go. We already got the numbers. So what numbers are we working with? What's going on?
5 and 2.
5 and 2 what? Days, right? Jaden walked to school for 5 days. We're trying to figure out how many days he walked. Okay, very good. Let's go. Go ahead. Do the math. Jaden walked to school for 5 days. Then he walked to school 2 more days. How many days did Jaden walk to school? Jaden should not be walking to school by himself, by the way. These parents don't know what they're doing with that whole thing. But if your kids walk to school, please take your kids to school or walk your kids to school because they are